How to deactivate Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings and privacy. And after that, you can just tap on settings. And now here in this section, just tap on account center. And here, once you are inside the account center, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on manage accounts. And after that, on the next page, you can just select the account that you want to deactivate by tapping on the manage option beside that particular account. And after that, on the next page, just select deactivation or deletion. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you have to select the deactivate account. And after selecting it, you just have to tap on continue. And here, once you do that, on the next page, you can just tap on continue. And with that, at last, you just have to enter your passport. And after that, you just have to give or select a region for your deactivation. And after that, you can just tap on continue and then confirm deactivation. And with that, to reactivate your account, you just have to log back in anytime and everything will be restored. And that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Facebook account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.